In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to place icons with text next to it using Elementor. So, let's get started. To do so, all you need to do is move to the Page Editor window. I'm already in the Page Editor, but if you need help editing a page with Elementor, then we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. To begin with, simply add a section first. Now, once a section is added, simply drag and drop the icon element to the section like this. You can change the icon by clicking over here and then selecting any as per your need. You can also configure various related settings here. Once the icon is in place, let's now add the text or the heading element. You can edit the text here like this. You can also set the alignment of the text. Now, to place text next to the icon in the same line, go to Advanced Settings of Text and select Inline With like this. Similarly, go to the icon settings and move to the Advanced tab. And here also select Inline With option. You can see the text has been placed next to the icon. To set the vertical alignment of the text, go to Advanced Text Settings and you can set the vertical alignment here. So, this is how you can place text next to the icon in Elementor. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.